Hi guys, welcome back with me, Mas Agus saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Right now I'm with Coco, Jojo, and Miumiu. Hi. Here we are going to decorate cake in Taj Mahal idea. Let's queen.
Master, 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 would you please tell us about the wonder of the world? It sounds great, but you should finish your task. Okay, my master. Okay, my master. It's about the Taj Mahal, a beautiful and yet inspiring wonder. According to the Wikipedia report, the Taj Mahal is an ivory white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of the river Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned by Shah Jahan in 1631 to be built in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, who died on 17th of June that year while giving birth to their 14th child Gauhara Begum. The imperial court documenting Shah Jahan's grief after the death of Mumtaz Mahal illustrates the love story held as the inspiration for the Taj Mahal. The most spectacular feature is the marble dome that surmounts the tomb. The shape of the dome is emphasized by four smaller dome tetris placed at its corners, which replicate the onion shape of the main dome. By the way, if you wanna know how I bake the cake, it is in the previous serial entitled Borobudur, the Forgotten Wonder of the World. The main finial was originally made of gold but was replaced by a copy made of gilded bronze in the early 19th century. This feature provides a clear example of integration of traditional Persian and Hindu decorative elements. The finial is topped by a moon, a typical Islamic motif whose horn points heavenward. The minarets were designed as a traditional element of mosques, used by the muezzin to call the Islamic faithful to prayer. The exterior decorations of the Taj Mahal are among the finest in Mughal architecture. Throughout the complex are passages from the Quran that comprise some of the decorative elements. The calligraphy on the Great Gate reads, "O soul, thou art at rest. Return to the Lord at peace with him, and he at peace with you." It was created in 1609 by a calligrapher named Abdul Haq. The garden uses raised pathways that divide each of the four quarters of the garden into 16 sunken flower beds. Halfway between the tomb and gateway in the center of the garden is a raised marble water tank with a reflecting pool positioned on a north-south axis to reflect the image of the mausoleum. The elevated marble water tank is called Al-Hawd al-Kauthar in reference to the tank of abundance promised to Prophet Muhammad. The Sharbar Garden, a design inspired by Persian gardens, was introduced to India by Babur, the first Mughal emperor. It symbolizes the four flowing rivers of Jannah or paradise. In mystic Islamic texts of the Mughal period, paradise is described as an ideal garden of abundance with four rivers flowing from a central spring or mountain, separating the garden into north, west, south, and east. The Taj Mahal was constructed using materials from all over India and Asia. It is believed over 1,000 elephants were used to transport building materials. It took the efforts of 22,000 laborers, painters, embroidery artists, and stonecutters to shape the Taj Mahal. The translucent white marble was brought from Makrana, Rajasthan, the jasper from Punjab, jade and crystal from China. The turquoise was from Tibet and the lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, while the sapphire came from Sri Lanka and the carnelian from Arabia. All 28 types of precious and semi-precious stones were inlaid into the white marble. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. It is called as the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the World Heritage. Regarded by many as the best example of Mughal architecture and a symbol of India's rich history. The Taj Mahal attracts 7 up to 8 million visitors a year. And in 2007, it was declared a winner of the new 7 Wonders of the World. What a wonderful history, my master! And I finished my G.
I finished my A.
And I finished my N.
If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. And also, please switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya!